Hey, it's Andrea back again for Beautiful Hot Mess. We are going to talk about something I use for my face to keep it nice and moist. And it's called hyaluronic acid. I got this from, of course, Amazon. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a little package. And what it is, it's you can make your own serum from this. So if you look next time you're in Walgreens or Target, wherever you buy your beauty products, go look at, pick up Neutrogena, pick up Oil of Olay, pick up Rock, whatever the product is for age, you know, something that's gonna get rid of wrinkles or some kind of age, you know, blemishes or dark circles, whatever. And they usually has hyaluronic acid. It's not usually the first ingredient, because you know the first ingredient is usually obviously the most potent. It has the most of that particular ingredient in it. It goes in the way of, you know, goes in order. This is pure hyaluronic acid. Okay, this packet was about, say, $20, and I bought it, you know, like maybe half a year ago. And it looks really small. And when I purchased it, I thought this, oh my gosh, this is a ripoff. But it really is kind of awesome. This is what it looks like in the bag. It's a powder. Okay. And then it's a little tiny itty bitty baby spoon. I don't know how big that is, but this is a spoon that you use to make your serum. Okay. You could also use this, daily as a supplement. You could put it in smoothies, you could put it in coffee. I tried put it in yogurt once and I thought I was gonna vomit because I don't like different consistency things. Like, it just is one of my weird little things I don't like, and it was just too lumpy. But anyways, I was talking to a friend today and she puts it in coffee, and she said after it heats up, it's fine. So anyways, it's hyaluronic acid from sodium hyalurate, whatever. Okay, I don't know how to say it. It's vegan, no preservatives, additives, no non-GMO, kosher, and gluten-free. And on the package it says for skin hydration and joint lubrication. So that's what you can use it for if you want to use it as a dietary supplement. It's good for your joints. So all you do, I have these little containers I get from the dollar store. I put my snacks in there, like when I'm, you know, trying to portion them out, because otherwise I'm so greedy, I'll eat the whole thing. So, but I also use these for my hyaluronic acid. So I take one of the little spoons that I showed you. I put some water. It's got to be distilled, because it does say distilled water on the directions, but one time I didn't have distilled and I decided to use my regular water, and it went really watery within a couple days, so I ended up throwing out because I was like, I'm not going to put that on my face. It's not worth it. So I put, I don't really measure, because, you know, I guess it really depends on how liquidy you want your product. I like mine more serumy, like more thicker. So I'll put maybe about a tablespoon and a half of water. And again, I don't measure because it's, you know, it's not anything scientific. Then I'll take my my spoon, mix it together, and it looks really clumpy at first. And you just shake it up, shake, and put it in the fridge. And then the next day, it looks like this. It looks like, you see? It looks like a serum, and that's what it is. How I use it, I spritz my face, I spritz my arm, my neck, my chest. I spritz it with some water. I think it's aloe blend water, but you could just do regular water, because water is the best moisturizer. It's the best, you know, hydration product that you can get. So I'll spritz my face, put on my hyaluronic acid, and then I put on my moisturizer, and I put vitamin C, and I use collagen serum and all that stuff too. Start at least with your water, and then the serum, and then end with a moisturizer. What you do in between, that's up to you. Now, you know, I've also I've had a couple of friends ask me, like, well, what do I think? Do you think it's working? Well, fortunately, I don't have a lot of wrinkles. You know, black don't crack. And so it's not like I had a problem that I was trying to get rid of. I'm just in preventative mode. I don't want to start getting a bunch of wrinkles and sagginess and whatnot. So I'm trying to preserve this for as much as I can. And I mean, if I'm going to age, and that's fine. I'm okay with that too. But if I can slow down the process a little bit with some of these things, hey, you know, and this is a girl who I used to just use soap and water, and I was like, I don't know what I use. I just like, whatever. It's not that big a deal. So now that I've gotten a little older, and you know, I recognize a little bit that I need to take a little bit more time to, well, you know what? I take a lot of time with my hair, so why wouldn't I take time and try to make sure that, you know, everything else on my skin is just as lush and lovely. Anyways, that's it. I hope that helped. Again, I will put the link below where I got it on Amazon. I'm sure you can find it somewhere else. Use it with discretion. If you find that it doesn't work for you, then that's fine. I'm just telling you what worked for me and what I like. And they had good reviews too, so. All right, so don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, so you will always be in the know with hot, beautiful mess. All right, y'all, have a good one. Bye.